The SawStop Sliding Crosscut Table combines SawStop's precision engineering and industry-leading quality with elegant and simple design. The result is a smooth sliding table that delivers easy, repeatable, and accurate results every time. The T6 aircraft-grade aluminum that makes up this beautiful table is finished with sleek black anodizing. Choose the traditional mounting for a full 48-inch crosscut, or flush mount the table and keep 36 inches of crosscut capacity. Either way, the mounting holes are pre-drilled to fit the contractor, professional, and industrial models. It's made to fit your SawStop saw. And it's built to perform. The table is solid with multiple large bearings for smooth travel under load. But it's the elegance and simplicity of the design that's perhaps the most striking, starting with the fence. Adjust the angle with one twist of a single oversized knob. This miter gauge is the largest you'll find and measures to plus or minus 60 degrees. That means more precise cuts. The fence is oversized for easy control and quickly slides out to 58 inches. These large flip stops with adjustable scale and magnified lenses make it even easier to get accurate, repeatable cuts every time. And even though the design is simple, adjustability is everywhere. Easily change the proximity of the fence to the blade, or simply add a sacrificial fence. In fact, the fence itself can be locked down anywhere along the length of the sliding table. Easy, repeatable, accurate results. Cut with confidence with the SawStop Sliding Crosscut Table.